Everyone's talking about it. It's bang on trend. Don't go away, I'm showing you how to make hot honey barbecue drizzle. It all started in a New York pizzeria and now it's made its way across the pond and it's the trendiest food extra here in the UK. Don't shell out your hard-earned cash on ready-made. It's so simple to make. Keep watching and you'll be amazed. Here in the kitchen, it's a half a cup of runny honey into a small saucepan. Then 1 tablespoon of high heat dried chili flakes, or more for more heat. In you go. Throw in a teaspoon of cider vinegar, which acts as a preservative. Bring it up to a simmer for a spicy nectar that changes everything. This isn't just a glaze, it's the legendary barbecue secret that turns ordinary grilled meat into gold. It's off the heat, turn off the gas and leave to infuse. Now I do like a bit of interaction with my viewers. So here's what I'd like you to do. Click that button and sub the channel. Activate and ding the bell and start a chat in the community box below. Now it's back to the honey. It's been infusing for about an hour, so I'm going to run it through a strainer and remove those chili flakes, leaving a sweet honey with a kick. And that's it, into a squeezy bottle. Nozzle on and ready to use. How easy is that? It just so happens I've got a pizza straight from the oven. This is the drizzle in action. Flowing smoothly, delivering another delicious layer of flavour to the food below. As for the taste, that's raised a bog standard shop-bought pizza to another level. I can't wait to see what it does to the food coming off my Weber Q this season. And on that note, if you've enjoyed watching me make this hot honey drizzle, then give us a thumbs up. Well, that's all for this time. Join me next time on the Barbecue Walk of Flame. So from me, the old geezer who ain't at the grill, it's goodbye, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.